Okay, why don't you go ahead and turn it on. Guess I got the power button. Got the panel here, the power, the video, Ethernet adapter, and then that's a mode select that lets you switch between the analog and directional pad. Why don't you go ahead and pick a game out? Yep. Yep. Yeah, do that one. So we got, this is A, B, X, Y, and that's, I think, black, white, left, right trigger, mode, and start, or back and start. Let's go ahead and hit, I think you hit mode, or the back button. Put a coin in. There you go. Hit the other button, hit the start button. Better start flapping. Okay, now I'm going to show you underneath the unit, so I can just lift it up. Here's the feet. Got some glorified hockey pucks for feet. Got the fan system underneath. One fan is sucking in there as the other one's blowing out, so you got a nice cyclical flow of air going through there. It keeps it nice and cool. And of course, gotta have the Xbox logo right in the center. So that's the unit.